you.
You're welcome. There's a little black hole over there.
It's dark.
Good morning. You need to go potty? Let's go. Nothing. Oh, you made it. Fun little corridor.
Huh?
Well, you took the easy way. What was I doing?
I don't know, you're flip-flops.
Yeah, I didn't know we were gonna do this.
You never know.
I'm just gonna go past the gate and go left, right into those rocks. No, we're deeper than ever.
Back now.
Well, that looks like a cool trad liner. There's anchors up there.
Oh yeah, those are anchors.
All right.
Mission accomplished, see? Alright, time to go do our part.
Not excited.
Go pick up trash.
Wow. Getting some goods.
There's groceries in there.
Yeah, these are our groceries,
Ew.
not our groceries. Brown tinted toilet paper.
That's your wood burner.
Gross.
Come on, this way.
It's almost one of the nicest things I've ever done.
Come on, let's go. Uh-oh, what's gonna be in the bag is my... There is something in the bag. Oh my god, it's heavy. I don't want to.
Yep. Someone shit in a bag. I gotta pick it up.
Here, you can put it in my bag. And then
No, put it in my bag. No, you can't carry it around. Here, just grab this. Not that arm. The one that hasn't touched anything.
Well, the one that has this handle on the stick is guaranteed not to have touched anything.
That's true. That's true.
Oh my god. I'm about to call it because it's getting really bad.
Oh man.
Shotzi, you could be laying in poop right now. Alright. This cave is disgusting.
Well, it's almost cleaned up.
Now, I'm gonna pinch your butt.
No. I don't like that. That's not.
I'm gonna pinch your butt. What are these people?
I know it's a little piece of the trap beneath the bush.
We can do whatever. We don't have to sit here.
You getting your tan on? Mm-hmm. I'll get the climbing stuff out.
I'm already getting tan.
Set up something.
You better hurry.
Gotta set it up. Gonna try to rope solo. Didn't even look it up.
Nice knowing you.
You too, Biz. All right. I'm not dead. Success.
I just gotta stay warm now. No, it was me. Whoa! Why are they having a fire in daytime? When it's
Where the
cold
wood burn.
outside.
It's cold. And the wood burns.
Because we do what we want,
Mm-hmm.
when we want, how we want.
That's the idea.
Best respect.
That's right. Fuck you.
No,
I didn't
you
mean that.
can't
I didn't mean
cuss
that.
at camera all the time.
Cut it out. We're the masters of it.